Hello everyone! Welcome back to Let's Learn. Have you ever wondered how people type mathematical exponents like x squared, chemical formulas like H2O, or scientific notations in Microsoft Word? Today, I'll show you how to create superscript and subscript using both the Home tab and keyboard shortcuts, so you can work much faster. Let's get started. Creating superscript. First, let's learn superscript. Suppose you have typed x2 and you want the number 2 to appear above the letter. Simply select the number or text you want to convert. Now go to the Home tab. In the font group, click the Superscript button. And there you go. Your text is now displayed as a superscript. Now here's something many beginners don't know. If you continue typing, everything will still appear as superscript. So, if you want to type the next character normally, for example Y, simply click the Superscript button again to turn it off. Now you can continue typing normally. Easy, right? Superscript shortcut. But there's an even faster way. Instead of clicking the ribbon every time, select the text. Then press Ctrl plus Shift plus plus. Instantly, your selected text becomes superscript. Want to return to normal typing? Simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus plus again. This shortcut can save you a lot of time when working with equations, exponents, references, and technical documents. Now let's learn subscript. Subscript is commonly used for chemical formulas such as H2O, CO2, and many scientific expressions. Select the text or number you want to place below the line. Go to the Home tab. Then click the Subscript button. Done! Your text is now displayed as a subscript. When you want to continue typing normally, just click the Subscript button again to turn it off. Subscript shortcut. Here's the keyboard shortcut. Select your text. Press Ctrl plus equals, and instantly, your text becomes subscript. To return to normal typing, simply press Ctrl plus equals again. It's quick, simple, and extremely useful. Combining both shortcuts. Now let's combine both superscript and subscript in one example. First, type X. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus 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 dot. Type 2. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus 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 again. Now type Y. Next, press Ctrl plus equals. Type 2. Press Ctrl plus equals once more. Now type Z. Finally, press Ctrl plus Shift plus 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 again, and type another superscript value. Now you know how to create superscript and subscript using both the ribbon and keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Let's Learn for more Microsoft Word tips, tricks, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.